Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you all. What if I told you that one single verse from the Quran could completely shift your life in just 7 days? Picture yourself waking up every morning filled with tranquility, a mind unburdened by stress, and a heart deeply anchored to Allah. Imagine possessing an unwavering belief that helps you rise above every difficulty, turning trials into triumphs. What if just one verse contained the secret to such a transformation? Would you be willing to embrace it for only 7 days? Many of us wrestle with anxiety, confusion, and emotional unrest. We often seek relief through self-help books, motivational talks, and endless distractions. Yet the truth is, Allah has already sent down the ultimate guidance. Sometimes, one powerful verse is all it takes to renew our perspective and uplift our spirit. There is one particular verse in the Quran that has strengthened millions around the world. It has been a light in times of sorrow, a compass in seasons of doubt, and a healing balm during moments of distress. Scholars have reflected deeply on its meanings for centuries, and even modern research acknowledges its wisdom. Before I reveal this verse to you, I want you to pause and think. What if you lived the next 7 days with this verse as your personal guide? What if your actions, words, and thoughts were molded by its meaning? What would your life look like after 1 week? I assure you, if you commit yourself to this verse for just 7 days, inshallah, you will notice undeniable changes in your faith, in your peace of mind, and in the way you see the world. Stay with me, because shortly I will reveal this incredible verse and guide you on how to implement it practically. But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it with someone you love. Your support fuels us to continue sharing beneficial knowledge. Leave your thoughts in the comments too. We would love to hear from you. The life-changing verse is, indeed, with hardship comes ease. In Surah Al-Inshirah, Quran 94 verse 6. This short verse carries a divine promise. Your relief is already with your difficulty, not after. You may not see it yet, but ease is near. Why was this verse revealed? It came to the Prophet Muhammad during one of his darkest times. After losing his wife Khadijah and his uncle Abu Talib, he faced rejection, pain, and isolation, and then came the divine whisper. With hardship comes ease. This verse is repeated twice for emphasis. The word al-usr is definite, one specific challenge. But yusr is indefinite, multiple forms of relief. Meaning, every hardship brings many eases. Prophetic words. The Prophet said, victory comes with patience, relief with affliction, and ease with hardship. And no pain touches a believer, not even a prick, except Allah wipes away sins. What does this mean for you? In times of stress, heartbreak, or failure, this verse is your lifeline. Ease is already on the way, often hidden in your patience and growth. Here's a simple, soul-nourishing plan to practice this verse, 1 day at a time. Day 1. Reflect. Recite the verse. Write down your current struggle. Look for signs of hidden ease. Day 2. Rewire your talk. Replace. I can't do this with Allah is with me. Your words shape your mindset. Day 3. Sujood and surrender. Say the verse in sujood. Make heartfelt dua. Say, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Day 4. Be someone's ease. Comfort a friend. Remind them, ease is near. Day 5. Read prophetic stories. Learn about Yunus or Musa. Their trials led to breakthroughs. Day 6. Spread the light. Share the verse with someone. Hope multiplies when given. Day 7. Give thanks. Revisit. Day 1. Write 3 blessings. Gratitude brings peace. In summary 5. Arabic words. Enough to transform your outlook. You're not breaking. You're being built. And your ease is closer than you think. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Believe it. Live it. Pass it on.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب